All right guys, today we're talking about mud flaps for your Ford F-150, specifically a review and install of the Husky brand mud flap liners. Okay guys, we have the Husky Liner mud guards. This is a form-fit mud guard, all-weather, impact-resistant thermoplastic. What the thermoplastic means is instead of an ABS that's brittle, this thermoplastic can really bend. I don't know if you can see that. Really move, so as you hit rocks and things like that, it's just gonna move around and not get damaged. So let's talk about mud guards for a second. We have looked at a ton of mud guards. These are our number one, and you're gonna see the quickness of the install and kind of the features they have. Great price, great option for you if you're looking for mud guards. The reason that people get mud guards generally is to protect against rocks that fling up underneath your fenders. They protect against the mud somewhat of slinging them onto your door handles sometimes, but really sometimes people just want them for the look. We're doing them for function and look. When you purchase these from Husky, whether you go to Amazon or whether you go to their website, you'll have to make sure and check the right boxes and get the right set. Meaning, all of these notches here that you see, it is a form fit for the F-150, but if you have factory fender flares or if you have side steps to get into your truck, all of those will impact which one you need in order to fit your truck. And just kind of as a final look at these, they have a really nice texture on the outside of them so that if they get dinged or scratched with this matte finish, you won't really see it much. They're labeled rear and front, so you know which one goes where. And as I mentioned, really flexible. I'm kind of excited about these because they're kind of a no drill option and really the easiest to install we've seen. So let's get to the install. Okay, so with those mud flaps, I have to say overall, they fit a lot better than I thought they were actually gonna fit. They go around all the trim pieces, all the molding. They really are a custom fit flap. I really like the paint protector that it came with that went right on the edge of the body to protect it from rubbing, but it needed a little help. I had to actually use scissors at one point to cut them because the perforation on those protective film just wasn't strong enough to be able to peel it off completely. And a good tip is make sure and push up on the flap before you press the top up that has the double-sided adhesive tape together. That way you get a form fit all the way around. That was one thing that I noticed right off the bat. But in terms of their use and function, I think they look great. Winter's coming up, so I'm excited to be able to see how those do both at preventing the rocks from hitting the fenders as well as the mud and the water. But I'm really happy with the install overall. All right guys, so link in the description below for the product that we just installed, as well as our website that has more details about the installation and use. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of this content, so I know that I'm making the right stuff. And if you don't like it, leave a comment about what we should do. Thanks a lot. We'll see you guys next time.